Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm Abhijit and in this video we are going to discuss about a suffix tries. A suffix trie is a compressed trie of all suffixes. A compressed trie is a trie which obtained by compressing all the redundant chains, and we have already discussed the compressed trie in my previous video. The link of the compressed trie is available in the description. So let us consider the steps that are involved in the construction of a suffix trie. First, we have to generate all the suffixes of a given text, and when we generate all the suffixes, then we have to consider the all suffixes as an individual word and build a compressed trie. Let us consider an example. If we have given a text as a banana, then the first step is to append a special character. Either you can append a \o, that is a null character, or a dollar at the end of the text. So our text is banana. When we append a dollar at the end of the text, it will become a banana and a dollar. Now, second step is to generate all the suffixes for the given text. So, the suffixes for the given text, that is this banana and dollar, these are all the suffixes. So, here, first step is banana and then dollar. The second, we have already considered the character B. So, we remove B or the remaining character. Then we remove the two characters, that is BA. Then all the remaining character and so on. This is how we form a suffixes for a given text. The next step is to generate a standard trie for the given string. In order to create a standard trie, we have to consider all the suffixes as an individual string and we have to build a standard trie. So this is how a standard trie appears for a given set of suffixes. How to construct a standard trie for a given string, I have already discussed in my previous video and the link is available in the description. We have to convert the standard trie into a compressed trie. The standard trie is converted into a compressed trie by identifying the redundant chain, and we have to compress those redundant chains so that a standard trie is converted into a compressed trie. So this is the compressed version of this standard trie. How to convert a standard trie into a compressed trie? The link is available in the description. Let us consider the representation of the suffix tree, that is the compressed trie that we have formed. So for the representation, this is our given text, that is banana. We have opened a special character dollar at the end of the string and we have given the indexes that is starting from 0 to 6. So this is the compressed trie that we just draw earlier. Now in order to represent each of the node, we have to use a two parameter, that is I, which denotes the starting position, and j, which denotes the ending position. Now let us consider the representation of this compressed trie. So here the first string is banana and dollar. Banana starts with the index 0 and ends with a 6. So I have written here 0, 6. So for the character A starting position is 1 and ending position is also 1. So for the character A, starting position is 1 and ending position is 1. Next, for NA the starting position is 2. NA starts from location 2 and ends at location 3. That is for NA, the location is 2, 3. Then next is NA dollar. So the NA dollar, that is here the NA dollar, NA starts with the location 4 and dollar ends at a location 6. So we got 4, 6. Here for the dollar is present at a 6 location. So starting location is 6 and ending location is also 6. So for this dollar, the starting location and ending location is 6. So the node becomes 6, 6. For this dollar also, the node becomes the 6, 6. Now let us consider the representation for the NA. This NA starts from location 2 and ends at location 3. So I have mentioned here, it starts from location 2 and ends at location 3. Now NA dollar starts from location 4 and ends at location 6. So it starts from location 4 and ends at location 6. So for the dollar starts from location 6 and ends at also location 6. So dollar start at location 6 and ends at location 6. And for the last dollar, it is also the start at location 6 and ends at location 6. So this is how we are representing a trie. In order to create a suffix trie, the first step is to create all the suffixes. The second step is to create a standard trie based on all the suffixes. considering all the suffixes as an individual string. The third step is to convert that standard trie into a compressed trie, and the final step is to represent the overall compressed trie node in the format of I and j, where I denote the starting node and j denotes the end node. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.